Welcome to Lakshmi's Home Vlogs. In this, I'm going to show you homemade face pack. You need rice flour, chickpea flour, yogurt or miggada of the yogurt, and you also need honey. And you mix all of them together before applying it. If you like a bright tone, you can even add a little bit of lemon drop, like few drops of lemon. But don't mix it in the yogurt and miggada mixture. That may break the milk product. So just few drops just before putting it on the face. That's about it. Add your turmeric and your face pack is ready. You can store it in the fridge in an airtight container.